to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Salina Shako. So today we are doing a tour at the Sharjah Aquarium. So let's discover what's in this hidden gem. You see children running about, so it means there is something very interesting inside. Okay, so what's that? That's a baby shark. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Yeah, the place looks so interesting and so clean, and everyone was just, the place is so interesting, like really interesting. You see live sharks, like, so let me take you around the place. We hear some kids screaming, baby shark, baby shark. Yeah, like, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, so follow me as I take you around this amazing aquarium filled with amazing stuff. It's around Alcan, okay, for those who know Sharjah, or if you don't know, just follow me and I'll show you, okay? Yeah, when I got here I was a little bit afraid because I didn't know what was inside, but at the end of the day the place looked so wow. At first it looked scary because it was that, but still I was like, I really want to see the place, like, look at that, like, ooh, so nice. Blue lights, what can be inside? It's like the deep blue sea. Let's see what's inside here. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you something. This is called starfish, okay, and for real I've never seen this fish before, so it was really an interesting discovery for me, Then there is one more thing that I saw here that was so interesting. Let me just take you right there. Okay, there is this fish, the starfish. There is this one called, for me when I was growing up, I know the fish, the name of the fish to be cover pot. I don't know if someone can help me with the name, what you know about the fish and what is it called in your area, but for me I know the name of the fish is cover pot. Please share with me on the comment section what the real name of that fish is. Here we go. This is lobster. Those are lobsters right there. Like, come on, this place is, these are lobsters that can be used to prepare nice lobster sauce or some nice risotto, lobster risotto. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can only find this here at the Sharjah Aquarium. Yeah, if you want to discover this place, you really need to come here. You're gonna see amazing stuff. Yeah, trust me. Who said I'm afraid? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand.
Significa essa coisa, não, passa a olhar dele.